from St. Mary's Nursery School, Bokaro. And let me tell you, it's an exciting day for us. Why? Because it's the last day of our epic summer camp and we are going out with the bang. The SMNS family has organized an exhibition showcasing the incredible creativity of our talented young ones. For the past 4 days, these kiddos have been hard at work, imaginations and pouring their hearts into all sorts of fun activity. And today, their parents get to see the fruit of their labors. Let's get all together around and show and love and support for these amazing kids. I can't wait to see how much their parents will appreciate them. Here is to a fantastic summer camp. Happy summer vacation. Stay healthy, stay fit, and please keep learning.
Because he was every day he was excited that he has to do this, do that activities. So such activities should be promoted, and every quarterly this activity should be conducted in school.
Thank you. What's your name?
Neelam.
Are you happy, ma'am?
Yes, I am happy.
Thank you.
डेज का जो एक्टिविटी समर कैंप आप लोगों ने जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया था काफ़ी अच्छा था। तो बच्चों लोगों को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। घर में भी कुछ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ये लोग करते रहते थे। फूल डांस भी बहुत अच्छा था इनका। फूल पार्टी बहुत एंजॉय किया इन लोगों ने।